What is up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. I want to talk to you guys about how, yes, it's meme season. Yes, everybody's investing in memes, but let's talk a little bit about how we're still making money in blue chips, guys. So every morning, 7 a.m., we have a stream where we talk about pre-markets, we talk about the cryptocurrency market, we talk about everything crypto. We review a lot of these blue chip tokens in that stream, and I want to review with you guys some plays that we've been talking about over the past couple weeks that if we would have put short-term plays in them, it would have worked out really well, right? And a lot of these short-term plays we invested in, and just to show you guys how we can still make money off of blue chips during meme season, right? So we're on Bone, for example, right? Shibarium Bone, right? So we were talking about Bone for my short-term play right around that 72 to 75 cent area. Those of you guys that know, I own a lot of Bone. I bought it cheap. So I'm hanging on. But for a short-term play, if you would have just bought this around that 72 to 75 cent mark, got up to 90 cents up in here, still sitting at 82 cents. That's a good short-term play, right? Over the last couple days, if you would have put some good money in there, you would have ended up coming out really, really good on that. The same with Quant, right? Quant right now is sitting at $115. We're talking about this, and I bought this live on stream right around that $99 to $97 range. So the good return on investment from a $97 investment up to a $115 investment, right? So there's a lot of gains still to be made here. Some other ones that we're talking about, actually some pretty big ones. You look at XRP sitting at 52 cents. The Asian market has really kicked up in buying XRP at this point, with the China markets coming on board. In June, you can see that XRP's volume has really started to kick up, especially over in the Asian markets. And when this thing dipped around that 42 to 45 cent range, we were talking about this being a good a good opportunity for some short-term gains. It has. It's still up around 52 cents right now. Great opportunity for some short-term gains there. The same with BNB. We're talking about this at around the $297 level, I believe, up to the $300 level. If you look at the 7-day, if you were buying up in here when we were talking about it, looking about a 302 down to 290 something, and this thing's sitting at $312 right now. So you're looking at $12 gain per BNB. So these aren't large gains, but when you start to talk about just incremental gains over these blue chips, you can actually make pretty good money day trading these. And day trading does not mean, you trade one day and you're done. It means that you're buying a dip and selling it somewhere near the all-time high, somewhere near the high, right, of where that thing starts to level off, right? So these are a couple plays that we've talked about, why there's still money in these blue chips to be made, guys. With these dips, Bitcoin was down to 25,000, roughly about high 26 going into the 25. It's up to 27.7 now as a recording of this video. We're talking about Ethereum and getting into Ethereum. Where's this chart here? There we go. Getting into Ethereum right in this area down in here over the 7-day. This downward stretch right here. We had a stream. We talked all about it. This was at 1700, 17.7, 17.8 level, knowing that it would eventually come up to this 18.19 level. That being a over $100 gain right here per Ethereum. If you just invested down here, hold it for a short term, come back up. These are ways to swing trade things. You're not going to make that 10x. You're not going to make that 100x. But what you are going to do is you're going to continually add to your profit margins in your portfolio, guys. This allows you to not have to sell your portfolios at losses because you have short-term bags now that you're swing trading. So you're not selling them at losses. You're not having to delete your portfolios, things like that. So you're always making money, even in the bear markets, even in the downswings. you're going to be looking to make some money off of that. So with that, I just wanted to remind everybody, with meme season in full effect, there's still a lot of gains to be made in these blue chips if you just play them right and you just look at the charts. You got to believe that they're going to come back, that the market's going to come back. And if you do, and you play these things for the short term, you can put some money in these plays and really come out ahead, do a little bit of swing trading, day trading on them, and still make some money. So all is not lost when these things dip a little bit, and all is not lost for the blue chips during the meme season either. There's a lot of good money to be made here. There's a lot of good short-term gains. There's a lot of times you can add to your long-term bag, but today we're just talking about getting them short-term gains out there, guys. So great time to do that. Great time to buy the dips and sell. Zero taxes, very low slip, very low or no slippage on these things. So great time to accumulate, guys. So that's my little short video about how you can still make money on blue chips, guys. Blue chips are not dead. The money's still there, and make some money. Make some money everywhere. Diversify. Subscribe to the channel and share this thing, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.